How to use public GPTs in ChatGPT app. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply open ChatGPT app. Now here you guys will see on top left corner two lines. So we will simply click on that two lines. Here you guys will see new chat library GPTs projects. So we will simply click on GPTs. Here you guys will see topics featured trending by ChatGPT, writing, productive research analysis, educational lifestyle, daily programming. So for public ChatGPTs, we can use here like we can scroll and use any public ChatGPT, and also we can search for needy ChatGPT that solves our problem. Thanks for watching.